Hi everybody, good morning. It is the 2nd of November of 2020, which means it is our IPSY day. It's the day we get to see what they chose for us, and if you get the plus, you get to do some choosing as well as some add-ons. So if you are not familiar with my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and YouTube will then notify you when I upload a brand new video, because sometimes my videos are time sensitive like today, and I do upload a lot and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also, if you enjoy my content, if you take a second right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It will turn blue, and then YouTube will help me by putting my videos in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they do enjoy this type of content. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. All right, here we go. So let's get started. I get all 3 bags on my channel, so we're going to go through all 3. I've already made my choices. You get to choose one product in each bag, and let's get started. All right, the first bag that we get is the Glam Bag. That is the least expensive bag on the IPSY family of bags, but to me it is the one where it is the best place to start, because for $12 you get introduced to the IPSY family. So here we go. So the first thing that they're telling us is that we can get extra products. Usually when you get to this point, I haven't been in yet, so they usually say time to choose. So because these choices have already been made in the Glam Bag, it's bringing us right to the extra products. But you can always check at the top here what has already been chosen for you, so that when you're doing your add-ons, you don't have to worry. So here they have Bobbi Brown Cosmetics, which is the one that I chose. It is the vitamin enriched face base. The next items that they chose for me looks like a gold fragrance, a Moda angled shader brush, highlighter, which is usually full size when it looks like this. I think it's the older packaging from ULTA in Blissful, as well as Lasting Smiles lip balm, and then of course the bag. So we're going to go out of this one, and I'm just going to check what they chose for me in the Ultimate, because I like to know what's in every single bag before I start looking at the add-ons. So now I'm just going to scroll up, go to the extra products, and see what they chose for me here. So they chose for me a lip treatment in clear from a brand that's a good brand. I've had an opportunity to try through IPSY, and I've really enjoyed it. Then they have another product that's new to me, but I've heard some really great things about this brand, so I'm happy they chose this. Oh, MAC, fantastic. From Sweet Sakura is the color. I'm going to have to check if that's something that I got in a pop-up sale. And then from Milk Makeup, the detoxifying face mask was my choice item. So let's see what the other items are. Oh, great. I got a Nomad palette, the Tuscany Intense. I'm really enjoying these Nomad palettes. From Pixie by Petra, Honey Sheen. I think I've gotten this in the small version in the $3, so I'm excited to see what this is all about. And then from Real Her, they have a foundation brush, as well as from Space Cosmetics, they have a highlighter. And in the Ultimate, this is the $50 bag. 8 of them are full size, 4 of them are mini sizes or travel sizes or sample sizes, but they're usually deluxe. So I want you to pay attention when I'm doing this, because you might look at something and think it's small, but it just means it's one of those sizes. The Cottage Greenhouse is another fantastic brand that I've had the opportunity to try, and I'm excited that there's another product from them in here. Willpower Blush, I'll have to check if this is one that I have, but these are fantastic to travel with. Trustique, they have an eye pencil, and then it looks like we got a couple of sheet masks from Starskin, and Starskin is another line that I got introduced to, and I'm enjoying their products as well. So it looks pretty nice. All right, let's see what we have in the Plus. So this is where you get to choose 3 items. So let's see if this is open. Yeah, choose 3 products. So let's see what those choices are. All right, so the first 2 are ones that they choose for me, and everything in here is full size. So this, what they chose for me is the Trustique Mascara. This is probably going to go in a future giveaway, because I've already received this in another box. It's a really unique mascara. One side has a little curling area to it, you know, like those curling ones, and then the other side is the mascara. I love when I get Violet Voss, so this is really exciting, and it's in Coral Pop, so this is really, really good for me. All right, the next three, let's see what the choices are. So they give you a few in each category. So the first one, it's not really a category, it's in a, you know, in the first line. The first one is choose the first product. So it looks like from Honey Jarrett, they have a 6 masks. Honey Jarrett has been a brand that I've really enjoyed. I've tried their masks and it is a really, really good mask. And I've also got lucky in one of my, I think it was an IPSY, when they lost something of mine, they sent me something else. And what they sent me was a foundation from this company, and it is really, really good. Then Tula Skincare, another fantastic brand. This is a primer. Then from Sugar Rush, Sugar Rush is a sister brand to Tarte. It looks like it's a lip oil. And another choice that I have is from Item Beauty. Item Beauty is another brand that is owned by IPSY. And this is, it says it's a lunar drop. It says it's a lid glaze. I'm going to have to look more into that. And then from Trestique, this is something that I already own and I do not recommend. For some reason on me, I've put it on and it disappears. I tried it with a blender brush, a brush. So this is one that I wouldn't recommend. And Shayna B. Miami. This is her eyeshadow palette. I think I already own this. I own a couple of items from her. It's a good brand. The second choices that we have for my second item is again from Sugar Rush. It is a lip oil, but I think we just saw this in one of the other boxes. I'm going to have to go back and look. Then Tula Skincare, another good brand, but these are, I think, eye masks. If I'm reading it right, I Feel Amazing, so I'm assuming they're eye masks. And Complex Culture, I am so excited that they're getting into other products because their brushes blew me away, and this is also a brand that is owned by IPSY. And then the third choices that I have are a lip mask, and then from Julep, it looks like it's a bunch of eyeshadow cream to powders. And then from Araceli Beauty, I own this and it is a really good eyeliner. So for some reason to me, the Plus is not one that is getting me excited anymore. And it's really surprising. It was the one that I was looking so much forward to with all these fantastic changes. But like I said, getting excited about a box and when I get the products and I try the products is when usually my mind gets changed. So we'll see what ends up happening here. So let me go back to the Glam Bag so we can get into the add-ons and see if I can get that there. So that's obviously what the bag looks like. And is it going to let me go back? Okay. And this is the hesitation that we get sometimes when everybody's on the site at the same time. So that's why I try to film for you guys first, and then I go in and choose for myself. Sometimes things are gone by the time I go in, but I always, yeah, see? See if we can get it up. If not, we're going to have to do the choices first, and then I'll have to get back to you guys. Oh, no, we might get lucky. Yeah, I think we're lucky. Okay, here we go. So let's get some extra products. No, they're having trouble with their site. So we'll give it one more try, and then I'm going to... okay, here we go. All right, so it says choose add-ons before we ship your bag. Add up to 8 extra products and we'll ship them with your bag for free. Special offer for you. There's a free gift with a $25 purchase. A Benefits Their Real Lengthening Mascara you will get for free. This is something they never did before that is really exciting. It's saying it's valid from October the 3rd, which is really weird. PST on while quantities last. Purchase order must be $25 or over before taxes. Okay. Now this is they've never had for $50. They have a full-size products. This is from Fox Bay. It looks like it's a flat iron with a frizz cream. Then for $25, they have some full-size products. They have from Beauty Blender, which we all know the Beauty Blender, but I have not tried their serum primer. So this is exciting. The next they have is from Lucy Beauté. They have a cleansing and anti-aging device. And then from Smashbox, they have an eye and lip trio in clear. I, as you know, really enjoy this. Looks like one of their color shot palettes. They're always good, so if those colors speak to you, it's great. It looks like it's including their eye primer, which is excellent. And then it looks like the two of them, you have a choice of a different item for the third item, so that's really great. Also, if you want to know more information, you simply click on the picture and it gives you more info. The first items here for the $18 look like they're a bunch from Milk Makeup. Really impressed with this line. Sunday Riley, this is a full size of their face oil. Then they also have the A+, which is a really good product. I enjoy that. From Kate Somerville is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I own this and enjoy it as well. Juice Beauty, also really enjoy this. I've also gave this to another family member when I had a second one, and they really enjoyed it, and they have a completely different skin type than I do, and so to me it's good for everybody. 111 Skin, you know how I feel. I really enjoy this brand, and with a booster you can put it into anything from your foundation to your moisturizers. BYROE is fantastic. Well, now we all know that BoxyCharm and IPSY are going to be under the same umbrella. So this was a brand that was introduced to us through BoxyCharm, and now it's nice that IPSY has it as well. This Yensa is really nice. This is a nice little kit. I got this, and I've never used the Chanel bronzer, but everyone said it's very similar to it. I really enjoyed using this product, and it comes with the brush. Then from Milk Makeup, like I said, I really enjoy that, and they're giving us some choices of some masks. Then they have a $12 section, which is their full sizes also. This is, like you saw, I'm already getting some of these in the Ultimate. And then Comfort Culture, they're coming out with one of these rose quartz. These are everywhere right now. And then here again, if there's a color that I want, I can get it here, but looks like I'm already getting a couple of them, or I have choices for one or two of them in what we just went through. The Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather. I was really excited to get this because I really enjoy Dominique Cosmetics. This one for me was not one that I would highly recommend. Out of all her other ones, this to me is my least favorite of hers right now, but I'm going to have to go back and revisit it. Item Beauty, we already went through that. Julep, so a lot of the items that were going to be in my choices or in my boxes look like they're in here as well. So that's really nice in the sense that if I wanted one or I wanted another and I didn't get it and I have to choose between, I can always add it on. I really enjoy that. Feel is a really good brand also, but this one, if you do not like the scent of rose, it is a very strong scent, but the product inside is really good. Girlactic, sorry, this first one here, the Balm, not one that I would highly recommend. Had the opportunity to try it. It's just sitting in a drawer right now. And then Sugar Rush, we went through these. And then this one here is a new one to me. It's a hair product. It's a brand that I'm not familiar with. And then we get to my favorite section, which is the $3. They have the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse. If you haven't had an opportunity to try Tatcha, this is where you do it, because for $3, it's a steal. Same thing with IT Cosmetics. But with the IT Cosmetics in the $3 section, the products are so small. I even just bought something directly from the IT Cosmetics. They were having a sale. It's a future video that you guys will be seeing, and it was this size primer, which was the bonus item, and when I opened up the box, I couldn't believe how small it was. Sugar Rush, like I said, that is a sister brand to Tarte. I haven't tried a lot of their products, but I do enjoy Tarte. And then Professionals, like I said, these are very small samples, but if you want to try the product for $3, I think it's great. Honey Jarrette, I might be trying this one because, like I said, everything I've tried from their line I have really enjoyed. The Beauty Crop I'm not that familiar with, but this is an eyeshadow primer, and I do enjoy eyeshadow primers. Tony Moly, another good brand. This is a Korean brand, Glow Recipe. This was available in the large section, and I didn't have an opportunity to try it, so I might be pulling it from here. Tarte, this is their Shape Tape. And these are very small, but they are fantastic for you to be able to try it. And they are really, to me, this is what started the change in the concealers. e.l.f. now makes, a good dupe. There's some great dupes that are from lower end brands. But if you have not had the opportunity to try Tarte for $3, this is where you try it. And they gave us a lot of options of colors. 111 Skin, like I said, this is a fantastic brand. It is an expensive brand, so for $3 to be able to try it is good. Same thing with First Aid Beauty is more reasonably priced, but their products are really good. Thrive Cosmetics, these are usually full size, and they are fantastic. They're lip liners. Eco Lips, I'm not familiar with. Pearly Say, another one, fantastic. This is their CC. I've only tried their BB, so I might be trying one of their products from here. Pure Heals is another one that's really, really great product. Everything I've tried from this brand, it's a Korean brand also, I have really enjoyed. And this looks like it's a toner. Dr. Botanicals, another fantastic, fantastic brand that I highly recommend. This one I'm not familiar with. It is a mud mask from Papa Recipe. Space Cosmetics, to me, is a brand that for some reason it's not one that I reach to. I've tried a couple of their products that were baked and it really didn't do it for me, and it looks like I'm getting one already. The Jewel Smith Beauty, this looks very similar to something that I got from IPSY, so if you need a couple of eyeshadows for $3 to try a brand, that's good. Barefoot Venus, this was one I just received in another box. This is a really nice hand cream. Cake Beauty, also a fantastic brand, and it smells delish. Smoothing Cream, I'm not familiar with this brand. Curl Keeper, another one that wouldn't be something that I would choose, but I don't have curly hair. Item Beauty, the Cheek Money. I'm going to have to look what this is. It looks like it would be more of a bronzer color, but if they're saying cheek, I'm going to have to dig in deeper to see if it's a blush or a bronzer. And then we have our brushes. When they put the brushes in the $3 section, if you do not have a lot of brushes or any of these brushes speak to you, this is where you grab them from IPSY in the $3 section. Koki Cosmetics is another one that I just went directly to their website and bought some products. That's another future video that you guys will be seeing from me. And this is a highlighter from them because I wanted to learn more about their brand. And then Il Masque is a really, really good brand. And if you need a liquid eyeliner, here it is. And then ICO, I have this in full size. I just started using it. There's something about ICO. I've tried their eyeliners and I've tried their mascaras. And for some reason, for me, they don't jump at me, and yet they have a really good reputation. IPSY, this is also another good product that I own. Belle Argent is a fantastic, fantastic brand. If you do not own this, I do. It is really, really good, and these prices are really, really good. IPSY, like I mentioned, this I think I might have in my other section, but I think I'm getting it in honey. This is where I tried it and I really enjoyed it. And then Sugar Cosmetics, another good brand, and these are crayon pencils and they're really, really good. So that looks like it's everything, guys. I'm going to leave you guys here. I'm going to make some choices and I am going to do some add-ons, and you will see that when you come visit me back again to see some future videos, and you'll be able to open up the boxes along with me. All right, once again, I'm happy we were able to get everything up and running. Everybody enjoy your day. I hope you get your choices, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.